du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Alright guys, it is lunchtime. I am gonna make the caramel bananas from my winter reset. It is such an easy lunch and it is just so satisfying. Like if you have a sweet tooth like I do, like this is just heaven. And also it takes 2 minutes to make. You know that I don't really like complicated recipes because who has the time? I like things to be quick and yummy and healthy and delicious. This is also perfect to make on the go. If you want to take this to work, you can take the bananas like this and prepare the caramel sauce, and then you can just dip your bananas into the caramel. I have my big box of natural dates. You know guys, I live off dates. Like they are just the best. High in potassium, which is great when you're working out a lot. They're high in magnesium and fiber, in minerals and vitamins, and they just keep your sweet tooth so satisfied that you don't crave any sweets. So get your dates. Alright, let's make the caramel. In winter time, it is getting dark here in London so early. Like it's not even 2 o'clock, it's like 1, and it just already feels dark. So I'm struggling a little with the light. I got my ring light tripod, but the light from the ring light is just not as natural. For the caramel, I use about 12 dates. So nice.
Call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs and need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.
And my caramel bananas are ready.
The queen needs a king to be by her side.
I have to say, maybe this doesn't look very appetizing, but this is like heaven. This caramel cream is so delicious, and like it's just like 10 out of 10. So you gotta try this out. And it's so satisfying. So I am gonna enjoy my caramel banana.
I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you can never.
It is dinner time. We are going out tonight for dinner, and I thought I'd show you what I order. The field green salad and also the spinach and seaweed salad. And I also ordered the grilled broccoli and some rice on the side, and I also ordered 1 avocado roll. I was also really keen on trying the wild mushroom risotto, so maybe I'll share that later with Pear, or I have it myself. Let's see how much the other food is. Okay, the food is here. The first few things I ordered, here is the green salad. Looks super pretty, and the dressing is here on the side. I think it's kind of an miso orange dressing. And then I have the avocado maki. It is so much smaller than when you order avocado sushi in the US. And I ordered some sesame seeds on the side to dip them in. And this is the spinach seaweed salad. So yeah, I'll have that first. Naja, keiner weiß, weißt du? I also ordered buckwheat mushroom toast. So the toast is made of buckwheat, and then we have different mushrooms on top and truffle. It's all vegan, and looks so good, I have to say. I just made a green smoothie, and today I used kale, collard greens. I had 2 dates in there, ginger, water, and fennel. So that's it. Yeah, super pretty, simple, and it's actually very yummy. Welcome to my Christmas kitchen. First recipe I'm making is a German one. It's called Bratapfel in German, and I made small ones. I think they look super cute, and yeah, so they're gonna go in the oven now. All healthy, gluten-free, of course vegan, and I'm gonna make some vanilla sauce now. I thought I'd show you my picture setup. So I always shoot right next to the window. And then I'm gonna put a reflector here so I got a bit more light, because in London it is not always super bright and sunny. And I got some decoration. I love golden cutlery. I just feel like it always makes the food pictures feel a little more, I don't know, I prefer much more than silver. And I ordered these some cinnamon sticks, and I am gonna get my reflector. So here I have all my different food backgrounds. I also ordered some other ones, which is just like a paper, but I think they look better online. And then when they arrived, I was a bit disappointed. So this is my reflector, which I put against the lamp. It usually stays. So it's already a little dirty. Well, and if it's getting very dark, what I do usually, I flip it a bit like that, and then it's super nice light here. So just a little behind the scenes on the side. Okay, let's put this here. Perfect. I just got to Harrod's, and I'm gonna do some Christmas shopping. Actually, more recipe shopping. I'm looking for some decorations for my food pictures, and also I am gonna buy a new camera lens. And I thought I will show you a little bit of Christmas vibes here. So this is the food haul. I love food hauls. So pretty. And this is what a kitchen looks like, what my kitchen looks like when I'm shooting recipes. It's a complete chaos. This is the reality. I have 2 more recipes to shoot. I have one potato gratin in the oven. I'm gonna make one more pasta. And then I'm losing light. Here is my indoor shooting spot. And then here is my outside spot. And I still have a bit of light. If I'm lucky, I can do 2 more recipes. And I'm gonna call it a day. Ta-da! It's all clean again. Took me like half an hour. Everything, I cleaned everything, because cooking recipes and shooting is so dirty. And yeah, everything is clean and nice. And here is some of the food that I prepared today, because I'm gonna have a friend coming over for dinner. And yeah, we're gonna eat together. I think Per is gonna order some food, because he doesn't really like my food. So he's probably gonna order some pizza, and then we have dinner together. Here we have the maple roasted carrots. Here we have the potato gratin. I already ate a big piece because it was so good. Like really good and super healthy. Here we have the creamy buckwheat pasta with the cacio e pepe sauce. I already ate this one as well a little bit. It's super good. And here we have the pomegranate chestnuts, maple roasted Brussels sprouts, and the potatoes. And for the potatoes, the dip is still in the fridge. So yeah, we have a lot. And then I also still have some of the gingerbreads that I made, and so this is gonna be a nice yummy dessert. And also it's so good to have my friend coming over for dinner, because then she can tell me from 1 to 10, give me a taste test. I always ask other people as well. So, and then what else do I have? I also still have 4 of the gingerbread energy balls, and they're raw. They're really good. They're super soft and gooey and juicy. And here we have all the desserts, so it's actually very convenient. My friend can try and do a little taste test. So
I'm very excited.
I made myself a quick little lunch. I made a gingerbread porridge from my 10-day winter reset. It just takes 5 minutes to make and it feels very Christmassy. And it's so warming and comforting, perfect for a cold day like today. So yeah, this is so nice. I love the caramel taste in there. And the grated apple in there gives more volume and makes it a little lighter, and the consistency, it's so yummy. So yeah, I leave you the link down below for my winter reset ebook in case you want to try it out. Yum! Alright, first recipe today is a sticky day pudding. The consistency turned out so well, like I'm so excited about this ebook. You're gonna have the healthiest, most delicious holidays, and I thought I'd show you how I take these pictures where you have the sauce kind of like pouring over the cake. I love those, and I just connect my phone to my camera, and then I can stand right here, pour over the the caramel sauce, and press here at the same time. It's a little multitasking, but this is a great way to do it yourself. This is also how I take most of my pictures, just connecting the camera to my phone and then hiding my phone somewhere. I am having a little snack while making dinner. Actually, I'm gonna cook more recipes tonight. So I'm having those crackers, which I made for my winter Christmas ebook, and some homemade hummus, which I just prepared. I'll take pictures tomorrow. I made 2 portions, so I have one in the fridge, and I added some fresh cucumber on top. It is such a nice combination. I think I will take the picture tomorrow like that. Like, this could be a nice little like canapé you can serve around Christmas time with like a little drink. So yeah, and the kitchen is all clean, so nice. I made a vegan nut roast, looks so festive, and it is so healthy, with pumpkin and chestnuts and cranberries, and the texture turned out so perfect. Have another healthy vegan cheese. It looks so nice, but it really is so easy to make. And yeah, for all my cheese lovers, I asked you guys yesterday if you are a cheese addict. This one is for you. It's a little more firm than the cream cheese, and you could even have this in the fridge for up to a week and it will get more firm.